in August for a fourth straight month, driven by faster rise in new orders and lower cost inflation pressures. This is according to the latest Stanbic Bank Kenya Purchasers Managers Index that indicates that an increase in domestic demand was witnessed in most key sectors except manufacturing, as well as an increase in orders from the Middle East and Europe boosted overall export demand.
In August, the headline Purchasers Managers Index picked up to a reading of 51.1 from 50.6 in July, which signaled a marginal improvement in business conditions that was lower than the average seen since data collection began in 2014. Purchasing Managers Index readings above 50.0 signaled an improvement in business conditions on the previous month, while readings below 50.0 show a deterioration. The improvement in headline PMI in August was driven by an acceleration in new orders growth, while sales rose in 4 of the 5 sectors except for manufacturing firms. The survey indicates that the recovery in market activity was helped by an improvement in cash flow and customer demand. The survey indicates that even though increased sales pushed to expand output, there was a further accumulation of backlogs of work which encouraged companies to employ more workers. The strong competition among vendors continued to drive wait times for input down, although material shortages and road problems meant that the latest improvement was the slowest since April. Even though higher taxes on products and imported goods pushed up purchasing costs, the pace of input cost inflation eased in August to a 6-month low, leading firms to increase their charges at the softest rate in 2021 so far.